Good morning, YouTube. It is a big day today. We're finally putting the camper shell onto the pickup today, so it's finally going to start looking like a camper. I'm really excited to get started on this. Let me take you in the garage and show you what we've got going on. I'm Bo. This is the Blacktop Nomad. So you can see I've got a lot going on here, and frankly this is just driving my anxiety nuts. So we've got the actual canvas for the topper sitting in here. I went ahead and replaced a couple of the straps that were broke, so I ordered some new ones. Got these all set and ready to go. Got the new rivets in. Should be stable. We've got our bars to mount it. The bar for the back window's back here. I kind of cleaned up. This is going to be the window that goes right next to the truck cab. And also, I've got some other parts for another video coming up. These are the door hinge pins. So that's going to be something we're going to tackle here in the future. But let me go out to the truck. Let me show you the bed rails I got the other day and kind of explain something there. If you remember, I said we bought this off a dually, right? And I was like, oh, I'll just have to trim the tabs and it's going to be no big deal. We'll just sand it down. Well, I wasn't thinking. I kind of goofed up. Let me know if you can see something here. Yeah. Me not thinking. Dualies flare. So gap, 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 no gap. And at first this is really bothering my OCD. It just drives me nuts. But I bought them. I'm 40 bucks deep into this stupid thing. It does work. I went ahead and mounted a rail and it did what it was supposed to do. It gave me a flat surface to mount this so I don't have any gaps where my camper shell is going to be. Shouldn't be letting any elements in, but it looks goofy and I'm trying not to let it bother me because this is a cheap project. Remember, cheap project, cheap parts, cheap truck. I'm telling myself I don't need a $190 set of Bushwhacker bed rail caps to fix what is a finger width gap. I'm telling myself just to live with it. I'm trying, but it keeps staring at me. But moving on that, so you can see I already got one mounted up. All I did was just snip the tabs off. I'm going to take the other one in, snip the tabs off, get the other rail on, and we're going to keep moving. Pretty simple procedure. I just have to snip off everything that is going to hang up on the truck rail using these side cutters. Let me set up the tripod and let's get to work on it. Alright, so you can see I kind of had to trim this around so it would fit and lay flat because it's just a little bit different at the front. Trimmed all of the other tabs off, so I have this wonderful collection of plastic going everywhere because we don't need these where we're going. Somebody with a dually is probably very upset right now because they wanted this for their truck, and I'm making this worse so I can make my truck look goofy. Well, Kate and I are going to take a really quick detour. My in-laws asked if we could help them harvest some pumpkins, so in the spirit of fall, we're going to go out, pick some pumpkins, help decorate a little bit. Then we'll get back to putting the canopy on the truck. And I'm going to bring the camera along too, so you guys can enjoy some fall color. Spice this video up a little bit. Hey there, Boots. How you doing, buddy? Well, that's a load there. All right, let's see if we can walk it back. Back home to finally work on the truck. Brought home a little fall color with us. We'll put those out at some point. Let's go back in the garage. I'm gonna grab the canopy for the truck. Let's get it thrown on. We've got it on, got it all fitted, fits pretty good. Kate's out here trying to test our futon mattress because we haven't exactly built a bed or anything yet. We want to kind of test out the camper before we get too heavily invested in how we're going to lay things out. She's busy making this tiny truck house into a tiny truck home. It's nice and hot in there, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
It's very hot.
Very hot. You gotta see if you can fit in here.
I think I can fit in there just fine. If we do a long trip with this, definitely gonna need AC unit of some kind, but yeah.
You able to fit okay?
I fit okay. Look at that. I fit just fine. What do you think?
It's very hot.
It is super hot in here. Like, this is not someplace I'm spending a lot of time.
We have the window.
Yes, we do have the window in, but let me show you around. It's not much. It's basically just a tent on top of your truck, but it's definitely been used, kind of dirty. But my hope is it'll suit our needs just fine. I think we fit in here. What do you think?
Yeah.
I got plenty of space to add extra stuff in. I have some rechargeable battery packs coming just so we can charge our phones while we're gone and keep filming. So this is at least a start, you know? We've at least got it on there for now. I think we're gonna wait till around dusk. We're gonna throw a few lights in it and stuff like that. Lay it out a little bit more, have a bonfire tonight, and just kind of chill out, enjoying our new camper setup. Catch you guys here this evening. Well, we decided to take the convertible out. We're gonna go grab some ice cream, I guess, at Jersey Free. She wanted to get it out and go for a drive. Do you have anything in particular you're after?
I can't decide. I want some type of freezer, some type of Jersey freezer, I think. I'm just excited to get out. It's a beautiful day.
All right, well, we're gonna head down the highway, check out new Highway 14 that just recently got done repaving it, and convertible's getting out for a little bit, you know? We're running out of convertible season. Here we go. Very, very busy. Let's get in line so we can get something. Delicious. How about you?
Very good.
All right, well, let's head back home. Maybe get a campfire started at some point. Test out the camper for a little bit. Back, and in case any of y'all were curious how we fit these 3 cars in a 2-car garage, we'll go ahead and show you how we park this thing up. Cars for the win. I'm parking the red truck quick, and it's surprising how much nicer this is. Like, I don't drive this as much now that I have, you know, been driving the farm truck around. It's so much nicer. I forgot how nice a truck this actually is. Kind of makes me sad. Okay, kind of got like an adult charcuterie going right now. Cheese, grapes, meat, crackers. Gonna head outside. Kate's got the camper kind of set up, and I've got a fire going. We're gonna relax. All right, kind of a mock camping adventure tonight. Set the food out here, got the fire going. Let's check on Kate at the back of the truck. Hey, how's it going back here?
I got the lights set up.
Hey, it looks pretty good, you know.
And I got some pillows.
Yeah? Is it comfy back there?
Yes, I think it's looking like a little camper.
I know, we feel like we're can't even know we're in the driveway. Well, that's officially it for this video. We got the topper on. We kind of started playing around with the interior. Next step is, I think we're just gonna take it on a little camping adventure and see how it does, and then figure out what we want to add from there. Until the next time, hope to see everybody out there. We're gonna get ready to hit the road. Take care, everybody. See you in the next video.